The appointment booking system in SalonBuilder is one of the most powerful online booking tools available for the salon and spa industry. You have more flexibility and options than any other salon software system, and the best part is that it's integrated with your website and your web management tools. The setup process for your booking system is very important because the choices you make in setup will determine how your clients are able to book appointments, how reminders are sent out, what resources or time slots are required for specific services, and the hours that are available for booking for each of your staff members. Since SalonBuilder is built for an individual as well as a multi-location salon with dozens of employees, the options for booking setup are quite different depending on your business type. This video will give you an overview of the different tabs and tools inside the appointment section, but be sure to click on the appointment setup videos for the type of business you most closely associate with to find out the best way to set up your booking system. We also offer free setup help, so be sure to contact customer service if you need some assistance. In addition to updating all the back-end tools for managing appointments, we completely redesigned the website booking form that your clients use to book online. It's now much more intuitive and easier to use. You also now have tons of options for how your booking form can be set up. You can choose to use the ribbon view with time slots and staff schedules shown, the button view with time blocks displayed, or the request mode, which allows the clients to send a request anytime without viewing available openings or staff schedules. Once an appointment is booked on your website, you'll want to log in to SalonBuilder to manage that booking. What you're seeing here is the appointment list. This tab shows a list of appointments that have been booked or requested and some details about each appointment. You can use the search filters up top here to view different types of appointments and search for specific appointments based on date, customer, or other details. In the list section at the bottom, you can click this down arrow icon to view additional details. The other icons allow you to confirm, edit, view, and delete, mark complete or mark no-show, and send notices for appointments quickly and easily. An alternative view for your upcoming appointments is located under the Calendar tab. In the calendar, you can choose from the Day Planner, Month View, or Calendar List View. At the top of the calendar are your calendar settings. On the Day Planner view, you can select from different timeline or grid views, which changes the size of your blocks based on time intervals. You can also select what type of appointments you want to view and change the size and color of your calendar with these drop-downs. Each appointment in your calendar will appear with a color-coded bar to identify if it's an unconfirmed, booked, canceled, no-show, completed, or deleted appointment. On the right side of each listing, you have several icons that you can click to take actions for each appointment, or you can click on the appointment to pull up a larger view. If I switch my view from Planner to Timeline, the layout of this section will change. Now my staff are listed on the right, and the timeline goes from morning to afternoon horizontally. You can choose whichever view you like best and switch between them easily using the settings at the top. The month calendar will give you a good overview of upcoming appointments for the next several weeks, and you can click for more details on any staff member for any day. I'm going to click the view icon here to go to the detailed view for this specific appointment. On this page, you can see all the details about this appointment, and you have a suite of tools up here to manage the booking. You can also view email or text notices that you've sent to the client on the right side, and this graphic timeline will give you an overview of the series of events that have taken place for this appointment. If you switch away to another tab, we hold on to the details for this appointment so you won't lose where you were when you click back. If you want to book a new appointment, you can click the Add Event tab and it will clear this appointment and start a new booking. Watch the next video to learn about the different ways you can book appointments into your calendar using the admin tools.